Think you are ready for the FE Electrical and Computer exam? Discover the top mistakes that could sink your success and learn how to avoid them. The FE Electrical and Computer exam is a crucial milestone on your path to becoming a licensed professional engineer. It practically covers all 4 years of your undergraduate engineering coursework, ranging from mathematics to software engineering and everything in between. There are a total of 17 sections on this exam. Here are some of the most common mistakes that I've seen students make when they start their FE Electrical and Computer exam preparation without proper research or guidance. Mistake number 1, misunderstanding the exam format. FE Electrical and Computer exam is a closed book computer-based exam. You are only allowed to bring an approved calculator to the exam, and no outside reference materials are allowed. You will be provided a reference handbook during the exam which contains formulas and equations. The exam itself is an alternative item type or AIT, and it does not contain any essay style questions with partial marks. You either get a full mark on a question or you get a big fat 0. Please make sure that you get yourself familiarized with the exam format. Mistake number 2, poor time management. Effective time management is essential. As mentioned earlier, you are expected to solve 110 questions in 5 hours and 20 minutes. That gives you roughly 3 minutes per question. One way you can improve your speed and proficiency is by timing yourself. You can do so by using apps or smartwatch or just using a regular clock, but this will typically result in unnecessary overhead and friction. Within my FE Electrical and P-Power exam preparation programs, there is a built-in timer for every mini exam and computer simulated practice exams. It helps students seamlessly track their timing on every single question. In fact, as part of the diagnostics, when students complete these exams, they can actually evaluate their scores along with their timing performance for every single question. Mistake number 3, lack of familiarity with the NCEES Reference Handbook. As mentioned earlier, NCEES FE Reference Handbook is the only reference material that is allowed during the exam. When students enroll into my program, I recommend them to download the reference handbook by creating an account at www.ncees.org. For some students, it is the first time that they hear about the reference handbook. In order to help my students develop familiarity with the reference handbook, I actively cross-reference the page numbers in every lecture, in every quiz, and in every practice exam. I also encourage the students to mimic exam-like conditions by keeping the reference handbook open during preparation because they will have access to it during the actual exam. This saves them a lot of time on the exam and gives them additional confidence because they don't have to rely on their memories. If you are preparing for the FE Electrical and Computer exam, make sure to avoid these critical mistakes because they can become the difference between you passing or failing the exam. If you're looking for a structured and streamlined exam preparation resource for FE Electrical and Computer exam, I recommend you to check out my website by visiting the link in the description of this video or by going to www.studyforfe.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to share your feedback and questions in the comment section of this video, and thanks for your time and good luck with your FE Electrical and Computer exam preparation.